Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
I don't bluff, bro. Aiming at your head like a buffalo. You a roughneck, I'm a cutthroat. You a tough guy. That's enough jokes. Then the sun died.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Finally getting my voice back. I couldn't film Wednesday for my skincare video because my voice was just shot and I had to go to the doctor. I got a shot and I was too tired to just do anything. Voice is coming back. I am feeling better. And of course I can't miss face chart Fridays, although I probably could. I probably should because I'm still sick. This week's face chart is one that lost in a previous poll, but one of my Instagram friends really wanted me to do it, so she sent it again, like, can you please do this one? Think you look really good, blah, 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 blah. So shout out to you, Ash. I'm going to do it. Oh, my eye, there's a piece of hair in my eye. I'm going to do this one, and there's only 3 colors, so I'm only going to be using actually 2 palettes this time. Like, I planned this out last night before I went to bed, and I only need 2, so I'm going to be using this one and the Morphe 35P. So, enough talking, let's get started. Using one of my mermaid tail brushes, I'm going to go into the shade, I believe that's called Prick. Yes, I'm going to go into the shade Prick and put that all over the lid in this area. The next shade I'm going to be using is Cherry Soda and a little bit of blood sugar on another different mermaid tail brush. So I added blood sugar to the outer corners, but I'm going to take a darker shade. I think I'm going to go with, sorry, I'm looking at the picture. I think I'm going to go with both Extraction, which is this shade here, and Fresh Meat. I think I'm going to do both of them. I think I'll do Fresh Meat first and then Extraction, and just to like right about there, using a Vander brush that I got from AliExpress. And believe it or not, as you can see in the picture, that is all like for the lid. I'm going to add glitter towards the end because it's a little shiny. But right now I'm going to go and do foundation and concealer and blah 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 off camera. And then come back, finish the lower lash line and do the highlighting in, well, at least the nose highlight. And the lips. So, I'll be back. So as you can see, I did lashes and foundation and concealer, blah 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 blah. I'm saving this until right before I do my lips, so that's why that's still there. I'm going to be taking a bigger mermaid tail brush and this liquid frost from Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the shade Goddess, and I'm going to highlight here, 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 and here. And now that that's settled, I'm going to take this highlighter on a unicorn brush that I bought here in Korea. So far, the other brushes I've used came from AliExpress. I bought this in Korea. And I'm going to just put that right on top of the liquid frost. Onto the lower lash line, I'm going to go into this all purple palette from Morphe brushes. Well, it's not all purple, but 99% purple. And I'm going to take this purple shade here and possibly this one and put that on top of the black Wish Me Luck, and that I don't lose an eye. Then right underneath that purple, I am going to take blood sugar and cherry soda. I'm going to mix them together and then put them right underneath the purple. Again, using a brush I got from AliExpress. So I'm going to take a little bit of this glitter. I'm mad scared because glitter is usually death for me. And I'm going to just plop it in some spots. I'm not going to leave it like this. I'm going to take a brush and like push it around. But I hate glitter so much because it gets everywhere. So it's time for the last step. I literally did nothing but my hair and changed my clothes, and I didn't do much to my hair, just curled the front because why not. So listen, this lip is very light and would never work for me in a million years. So what I'm going to do is take a dark lip liner and then a nude pink from ColourPop. This is in the shade Beeper, and I'm going to just line my lips a lot and then put this on top of that and see how that works. And this is the finished look. I did add some Fenty Gloss Bomb on top of, not all the lip, just the center where the lighter color was. So it's not as light, because when it dries, I don't know if anybody has this shade from ColourPop, but when it dries it gets lighter. And me and pink nudes are not friends. We're just not, and that's fine. But this is the finished look and I like it. I mean, I look like a vampire, only because whenever I think about vampire, like most vampire movies I've seen from like a long time ago, around the eyes leather, like red, like a dark red, or like red. Even Coty Fern for, was it the Emmys or something, when like he was wearing makeup like, and it was red, and he just looked very vampy to me, like it could have been Twilight revisited or something, I don't know. Anyway, I like this a lot. My students are not gonna like this because they don't like when I do colors like this, because to them I look scary, and I think it's because the lenses, along with these like with the red colors, it's, to them it's scary, and it's also not something you see in Korea. So look at me, just starting trends, breaking boundaries, and I suck at curling because apparently I didn't curl any of this. Oh well. Oh, same thing. No, that part got curled. Whatever. Anyway, that's it for this look. Again, if you want to see a particular face chart, if you want to see more Halloween face charts, please let me know in the comments, because I can film those whenever. And that's it. That's all. Oh, the giveaway. Now, if you didn't watch the last video, because I had messages on Instagram, and then somebody commented on the actual video announcing the giveaway, saying where's the raffle copter, blah 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 blah, what is that link? It's in the description box. I'm going to also put it in this description box, but you have to open the description box. I mean, I know that's like a hassle for some people, they don't care, but like if you want to enter the giveaway, then you have to open the description box. I mean, I don't know what else to say. Like, and again, it ends October 31st. Technically, it'll be November 1st here. I'm doing U.S. Standard Time instead of Korean Standard Time, because if it was Korean Standard Time, it wouldn't be Halloween. But it's going to be November 1st for me, but in America, it's going to be Halloween. So that's when it ends. It's ending soon. That's it for this video. Again, please, if you want to enter to win a Sephora gift card, you have to go to Rafflecopter. And I also posted it on my Instagram, so I'm going to choose one person from Instagram and then one person from Rafflecopter. There'll be 2 winners. First place is going to be from Rafflecopter. Second place is going to be from Instagram. That's how this works. First place winner gets a higher amount than the second place winner. And that's it. That's all. Again, please check out the link. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm going to repost it again. That's it. That's all for real. Bye.